Flying rats. Wow. Uy, ya attacking him. When I first came, I used to eat it around the corner. Like it's good, but it was super nice. It was super cheap. Why did you change the owner wanted to take it back. But I was giving it to someone else, but he didn't change it. Okay.
Why not? Because what are you doing?
Life doesn't stop, right?
Yeah.
The charger.
Your beauty has so much to offer. Yeah? Destroying.
Yeah, they're renovating everything.
Yeah.
Rambla. This is market. And there's another place as well, it's called Plaza Real. Actually, it's loads of bars and food. And it's like the architecture is amazing. It's everything on the way. That's the good thing, you know, it's like you don't have to be too clean. That's one thing is properly designed. You know?
Yeah, when it grew over hundreds of years.
They didn't think about anything extravagant. It's like, no, straight, some avenues, we can stop, yeah. We see any,
Well, I see food.
food. We can go with all this. Wow. Oh, bonobon. It's Argentina. And we have alfajores. All the alfajores.
Pizza here.
Wow. That's nice. Yeah.
So we are going there now.
Yeah, we have. Amira. Fish.
You're on crack, dude.
Yeah, 2 for 5.
Comes from here.
¿Te gustan las ostras? ¿Te gustan las ostras?
Mira los cerezos.
Gigantes. euros el kilo. Un kilo es
Empanada.
Oh, empanadas, mira. 8. Wow. Que me quiero comer todo. Me quiero comer todo.
Yo me quiero comer también.
Están como con la mirada. Peligroso. Mira, Viagra natural. Natural.
Viagra.
I think it's this one, right? Natural Viagra. Salsa picante. No sabía que la salsa picante era. I didn't know the hot sauce is aphrodisiac.
I mean, you are really getting.
I think it's because how is it? Increases your circulation, right? I think that's the reason. Well, we can stop here after.
Exactly. Exactly.
What? No, we're going for the paella. For a paella. For what?
Paella.
No, we're gonna come back.
We're coming back. It's close late.
Very good.
Better call sick.
I once went to the campus in Algiers to an Indian restaurant, and he was Indian.
Of course.
I was like, that was not so bad.
No, but in Nigeria maybe you can eat seafood as well, right? Or proper.
Esta mierda no va.
Sacarme el
¿Qué decir? I like all these little streets. At night, you can get lost, like this. You always find a bar or a place. It's called. This one is La Boqueria as well. This one is one. I think it's this one. Yeah, Arabian nuts.
Yeah, la
Yeah,
this
this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yalla. Ding, 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 ding.
Look at the ham. This is mature for I don't know how long. So salty.
Yeah. Dry.